Ever bought a houseplant that looked amazing in the store but felt too big once you brought it home? That's where tiny indoor plants come in. These compact houseplants don't steal space, don't demand constant care, and somehow make indoors look more stylish without effort. Let's uncover 42 small indoor plants that are perfect for real homes, not showroom spaces. Spider plant may look simple, but it's one of the toughest small indoor plants out there. It survives low light, cleans the air, and produces cute baby offshoots, perfect for beginners. Purple shamrock adds mystery with deep purple leaves that open and close daily. It enjoys partial sunlight and rewards you with constant movement. A true conversation starter. Cavaria forms perfect rosettes that feel almost too perfect to be real. It loves sunlight and dry soil, ideal for tiny pots and succulent arrangements. Dragon tree adds height without bulk. Its slim form fits tight spaces beautifully, low maintenance and very forgiving. Arrowhead vine changes leaf shape as it grows. It adapts well to indoor light and stays manageable, perfect for shelves and corners. Christmas cactus blooms when you least expect it. Its segmented stems stay compact while producing bold flowers. Cooler nights encourage blooms. Cooper's Haworthia looks crystal-like under bright light. It stays tiny and structured, a perfect desk succulent. Heartleaf philodendron trails gently with glossy heart-shaped leaves. It adapts easily and stays compact with pruning, a classic favorite. Lucky bamboo looks innocent, but this plant has built a reputation around positivity and good vibes. It grows easily in water or soil and fits perfectly on desks and shelves. Bright filtered light keeps it thriving without any drama. Lithops look like stones, and that's what makes them suspiciously fascinating. These tiny succulents sit quietly on sunny windowsills and need very little water. Overcare is their biggest enemy. Chinese money plant grabs attention with its round coin-like leaves. It stays compact, loves bright indirect light, and instantly upgrades modern interiors, rotated often to keep growth balanced. Baby toes feels almost unreal, like tiny green jelly beans poking out of the soil. This plant loves warmth and minimal watering. Too much care can quickly ruin its charm. Polka dot plant looks playful, but light is the secret behind its colors. Give it a few hours of brightness to keep those dotted leaves vibrant. Compact and cheerful, it's great for tabletops. Kalanchoe proves small plants can still flower boldly. With enough sunlight, it produces clusters of bright blooms. Let the soil dry slightly to keep it happy. Asparagus fern looks soft and delicate, but it grows surprisingly fast. It works beautifully in hanging baskets or on shelves. Keep the soil slightly moist. Nerve plant demands attention with its bold veined leaves. It thrives in humidity and indirect light. When it droops, it's just asking for water. Prayer plant quietly folds its leaves at night like it's alive. It prefers warmth, humidity, and soft light. A calm but magical indoor companion. Baby rubber plant stays neat and glossy all year round. It tolerates indoor conditions well and needs little watering. A reliable choice for busy plant lovers. Sweetheart plant looks like a single heart stuck in soil, and that's its charm. It grows slowly and prefers bright indirect light. Less water keeps it healthy. String of pearls drapes elegantly with bead-like leaves. Bright light and careful watering are key. One mistake can make it disappear fast. Creeping fig spreads softly with tiny leaves that feel timeless. It climbs or trails depending on how you grow it. Keep it trimmed to maintain size. ZZ plant almost feels fake with its shiny leaves. It survives low light and irregular watering. It's perfect for forgetful plant parents. Zebra plant shows off bold white stripes on dark green leaves. It stays compact and loves bright light. A modern structural plant. Air plant doesn't even need soil, which feels suspicious already. It absorbs moisture from the air and looks stunning in glass displays, just missed regularly. Watermelon peperomia shows off patterned leaves that look painted. It stays small and thrives in indirect light, a playful plant with big personality. Wandering Jew trails fast with purple striped leaves. It grows easily and fills space quickly. Trim often to keep it compact. Jade plant symbolizes longevity and prosperity. It grows slowly indoors and loves sunlight, a timeless small plant choice. Polka dot begonia feels dramatic with spotted leaves. It prefers bright indirect light and gentle care, a true showstopper. African violet proves small plants can flower non-stop. It loves bright light but hates wet leaves. Treat it right and it rewards you endlessly. Radiator plant stays compact with textured leaves. It tolerates low light well, ideal for desks and small shelves. Purple Heart brings bold color with minimal effort. It trails beautifully and loves bright light, easy to propagate too. Mexican Snowball looks soft and dreamy in tiny pots. It thrives in sunlight and dry soil. Minimal care, maximum charm. Herringbone plant displays bold patterns that feel almost painted. It enjoys humidity and indirect light, keeps things visually interesting. Maidenhair fern feels delicate and airy. It loves humidity and consistent moisture, a soft touch for small spaces. String of turtles looks like a living pattern. It trails slowly and stays tiny. Bright indirect light keeps the leaves detailed. Friendship plant features textured leaves with silver highlights. It grows bushy but small, easy to share through cuttings. Dwarf Dracaena looks like a mini palm. It stays compact and structured, perfect for modern interiors. Fairy washboard feels sculptural with rigid leaves. It thrives in bright light and dry soil, a collector's favorite. Easter cactus blooms softly with colored flowers. It stays compact and loves indirect light. It's great for small indoor displays. Rex begonia shows off dramatic foliage and wild colors. It prefers gentle light and careful watering, a living piece of art. Boston fern finishes the list with soft arching fronds. It loves low light and humidity, perfect for refreshing indoor corners. Tiny plants may look harmless, but together they can completely transform your home. If this list opened your eyes, hit like, subscribe, and stay connected, because the next plant you bring home might just change everything.